Salesforce reporting better than expected second quarter earnings. The company raised its revenue forecast for the fiscal year, but shares are falling in extended trading, down about 2% right now. Competition is ramping up from companies like Microsoft and Oracle and cloud services. The Salesforce call has just started. We will bring you the headlines as they cross. With us now from New York, Anurag Rana of Bloomberg Intelligence. So Anurag, what's the main takeaway when you look at the numbers right now?
I think overall a very good quarter. You'd see, almost all the divisions did very well. Even their largest division, Sales Cloud, the growth accelerated. I think there is some confusion about billing guidance for next quarter. But if you look at it, I think the street was looking at billings growth of about 18% this quarter. It came to around 27, 28. And I think next quarter it's not as strong. But if you look at a company like Salesforce right now, there's a lot more seasonality in their business. Like any large software company, a lot more deals close in the fourth quarter with larger clients, and I think you would see a shift of revenue. That's what you're seeing here.
Does that mean they are going to be facing the same sort of headwinds that even bigger companies like an Oracle or a Microsoft might face?
Typically, as you get larger, you have much larger clients that buy multiple products from you. So instead of looking at, one product at a time, you're looking at a whole suite of products. And, with those relationships, you actually get a lot more seasonality as you get bigger.
So talk to us about the AI strategy that we mentioned going into the break. How is that working out for Salesforce?
Those things are just starting, and when you look at the entire cloud applications area, AI is going to be one area which is going to differentiate these companies going forward. This is where you can take a whole lot of data that's already on your platform and make sense out of it. And with Salesforce, it's just the starting. I mean, they're just building that product right now. That's going to take several quarters to show actual results in terms of sales growth.
Let's talk about the competition. Of course, Microsoft bought LinkedIn. You've got analysts out there saying that this is the biggest competitive threat for Salesforce. How well positioned is Salesforce to weather that kind of competition?
It'll be very interesting to see what Microsoft does with the LinkedIn combination and what kind of products are emerging. One would have thought their growth rate would have slowed down in terms of, just even their largest cloud offering. But in the last 2 or 3 quarters, we're seeing actually sales accelerate, and which just tells us that corporate spending is good. And software is one area where you're seeing a lot more of the spending dollars go as people pull back from, areas such as hardware or services.